In this video, we're going to go over a design problem that I hope you never run into. So you can see here where we have the toilet flange sticking up about 2 inches. And the reason for that is because there isn't enough room for the pipe because the joists are not tall enough. So even though the engineer or your span charts allow you to use smaller joist on some of your projects and this tiny home like we have here, it will definitely be something you need to think about. And the easiest fix for this project here will be to simply lower the plumbing pipe and build a drop ceiling underneath the area. And I'm not about to suggest that's going to work every time, but it does seem like the best option here. And don't forget, it's not just going to be the pipe, it's going to be the fittings that those pipes are going to connect to. For someone who might plan on pre-assembling these plumbing components to get the measurements they need to figure out if those pipes will actually fit in the height of those joists. And for a 3 or 4 inch pipe, that's going to be an 1/8 of an inch minimum. And for the 2 inch and the 1.5 inch pipes, it's going to need to be 1/4 of an inch per foot minimum drainage slope. So again, this could also be a problem area over here if you don't take it into consideration, because you can see here where the curve is going to be protruding from the wall and the bottom of the ceiling, making it difficult to install our drywall correctly. Now, another option that you might have will be to run the plumbing in this wall here or the wall over here. But since the kitchen is going to be in this area here, it's not going to be a big deal to drop the ceiling a little bit and then have it extend out about 1 inch or 2 past the cabinets if you're going to be using them in that area. And for those of you who have been watching my channel for a few years, you have a pretty good idea how important planning is for your project. And this is just another one of those things you're going to have to plan for, especially if you're going to be using smaller joist heights because the span charts allow you to. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.